Are you struggling to solve a problem? Let's explore some problem-solving techniques. The rational approach is a popular technique that works well for a wide range of problems. It involves 7 steps that guide you through the problem-solving process. First, you define the problem. Then, you identify possible causes and brainstorm options to solve the problem. Next, you select an option and create an implementation plan. After executing the plan and monitoring the results, you evaluate the solution. This approach is a great foundation for other problem-solving techniques. For example, let's say you're trying to decide which car to buy. Using the rational approach, you would define the problem, identify possible causes, brainstorm options, select an option, create an implementation plan, execute the plan, and evaluate the solution. So, whether you're solving a complex business problem or a personal one, the rational approach can help. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to improve their problem-solving skills.